Hello, everybody, and welcome to Law and Society. Today is a historic day. Today, August 3rd, 2023, will be remembered forever as the day that Donald Trump was arraigned for his crimes against our republic. I want everybody to remain vigilant. I want to remind everybody that don't provoke MAGA and people who are militantly pro Trump. Stay out of their way. You don't need to engage. The Justice Department and prosecutors and Donald Trump's defense attorneys are doing their jobs, so you don't have to do it. Don't go out of your way to invite trouble because, understandably, Donald Trump's followers will be very upset because Donald Trump has been lying to them for years now, and he has essentially brainwashed them into believing everything that he has to say and not the truth. They don't understand what legal process is, they don't understand evidence, they don't understand logic, and they don't care to. So don't engage with them. Let the prosecutorial process take its toll. Let the courts handle Donald Trump and let Donald Trump have his day in court. Even if he wants to prosecute his case in the court of public opinion, don't give him that pleasure, don't give him that satisfaction. Uh, Second, I think that there will be more indictments coming out from Jack Smith, of course, for the co conspirators, but reading the indictment and looking at the facts that we know from the January 6th committee, there are many, many things that Jack Smith didn't even touch. And, I believe that's strategic because these are the most straightforward charges and the facts support heavily the charges brought. And if the DOJ were to include charges like seditious conspiracy, incitement of insurrection, uh, it would create evidentiary problems, evidentiary hurdles that could delay the case, as well as politicize it, over politicize something that has been politicized already. That is, factually speaking, quite political, but legally speaking, his actions, Donald Trump's actions, were criminal. We need to have that clear that Donald Trump was indicted for his conduct that was attached to his speech, not his speech. The First Amendment protections don't attach to the conduct, the criminal conduct of furthering the conspiracy, of going out and swindling electors to sign something that was then used for a different purpose, to pressure Mike Pence and have him subvert our elections. That's what Donald Trump is being charged with. And if you have the time, go and read the indictment. If you don't have the time, I have a deep dive summary of it in my channel. There are other entities that have also created annotated notes, annotated PDFs of the indictment. If you're American, if you care about democracy, I invite you to read the indictment and read uh, the information that is coming out of the courts and weigh that against how much you value your rights and how much you value your right to vote. And if you value your right to vote, this prosecution is going to be very important for you. So, with that, I'm going to close my quick 5 minute uh, review of what's to come today. Please stay safe. Nationwide law enforcement should be on alert and keep out of the way of MAGA protesters. You don't need to engage them. Let the courts handle it. Anything else? No. Well, thank you for being here. If you're new, please like and subscribe and share. If you have any comments, please comment. I love to receive critiques as well so I can better myself. So, Thank you.